might be Smurf as fuck. Alright, this might be gold. They're holding the wall.
Game, start.